This evening you're having dinner with someone special and would like to prepare something really delicious. Here at Asaya Guy Cooks, we got you covered with Peri Peri Ribs. So let's get started. Let's prepare the dry rub. Now let's prepare the ribs. Set the timer for 2 hours. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Peri Peri is known as the African bird's eye chili and has been growing in Africa for centuries. It's also spread across the world to create some amazing flavors. Time to make the South African potato salad. Set the timer for 60 minutes. Place ribs in the oven for a final 60 minutes. Those look great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peri Peri Ribs with South African potato salad. Let's try these amazing ribs and of course the potato salad. These Peri Peri ribs are really delicious. The Peri Peri seasoning adds the right amount of heat and sweet and creates an incredible flavor profile. And you and your guests will love the potato salad. Join the conversation, leave a question or comment below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like a great way to start the evening. And of course the food looks amazing. Stay with us for a while. Watch another video.